Welcome to Authentic Italian Cuisine. Today I will show you how to make another traditional recipe of Sicilian gastronomy. A simple and delicious main course, Sicilian Veal Involtini. Let's see the ingredients for 4 people. 16 thin veal slices, 80 g of Caciocavallo cheese or Provolone cheese, 250 g of breadcrumbs, 24 bay leaves, 1 white onion, 1 red onion, 2 sprigs fresh parsley, 40 g of raisin, 40 g of pine nuts, 6 cherry tomato, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, and 8 wood skewers. The first things you have to do is to soak the skewer in water for 10 minutes to prevent them burning during cooking. Then dry them with kitchen paper. Soak the raisin in warm water for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, finely dice white onion. In a pan over low heat, place 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Add the white onion and let it fry until golden brown and soft. It will take about 10 to 15 minutes. Turn off the heat and add the breadcrumbs. Stir well. Place the mixture into a bowl and let it cool down. Add the pine nuts into the mixture. Drain the raisin and chop it. Chop the cherry tomato. Then chop the parsley leaves. Add all the ingredients, including the grated cheese, into the bowl. Mix well. and seasoning with salt and pepper. Add some more extra virgin olive oil to moisten the mixture and the filling for Sicilian Veal Involtini is ready. Now let's prepare the meat. Lay the veal slices on a chopping board and with a meat mallet pound them until 4-5 mm thick. If the slices are too big, just cut them in two. We got 4 nice slices. Spread some filling on each slice. Fold the edge. Look my hand. You should do the same. Fold the edge and then roll it. Try again. Fold the edge and roll it. We got 4 beautiful involtini. Cut the red onion into quaters. Separate the petals. We are ready to assemble the involtini. Thread a bay leaf onto a skewer, then 1 onion petal and 1 involtino. Again 1 bay leaf, 1 onion petal, 1 involtino. Finish with 1 onion petal and 1 bay leaf. Once the involtini are ready, we must do the last step before cook. Brush them with extra virgin olive oil. And dip them into breadcrumbs, like this. Ready for cooking. Place the involtini into a baking dish. Drizzle with some extra virgin olive oil. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Perfect! The surface with the breadcrumbs is golden brown, beautiful. Sicilian Veal Involtini. Thank you for watching, and if you like, don't forget to subscribe.